Hello guys, in this video today I'm going to show you how to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader for Windows 10. If you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Now the first step that you need to do is to go to Google Chrome, or you can use any browser that you have, it doesn't matter. So go to the search and search for Acrobat Reader, then press on enter. So it will land you on this interface. So once you are here, you are going to scroll down. Their official website is www.adobe.com. So this is their official website. So you need to click on this link here, the original PDF solution. Click on that. Then it will land you on their homepage. So once you are here, what you need to do is to scroll down. Then here you'll be able to compare Acrobat's plans. So here we have Acrobat Reader, which is free, and we have Acrobat Pro and Acrobat Studio. So the one that we need to download is this one, which is free. So I'm going to click on download now. Then it will land you here. So you need to uncheck this. You can check even for more options here. Check the operating system, English, and then version, which is recommended. Then you are going to uncheck this. Then install Acrobat for Google Chrome. So install Acrobat extension for Google Chrome to view PDF and use Acrobat tools right on Google Chrome. So if you wish to download Acrobat for Google Chrome, you are going to leave this box checked. But for me, I'm going to uncheck that. Then I'm going to click on download Acrobat Reader. So it will automatically begin to download, as you can see at the top here. So you are going to double click on the file to run the file. So having done that, we are going to minimize Chrome. Then you can see that installation is in progress. So it is going to take a little bit of time. So just give it time for it to finish. So as you can see guys, the installation complete. So once you've done that, you will just click on finish. Then how do you want to open PDF files from now on? So you can select Adobe Acrobat, then click OK. Then you can see that the icon for Adobe Acrobat has already been created here on Windows desktop. Let me just open it. And this is it guys. So that's really it guys. That's how to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader for Windows 10. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.